everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have another unboxing for you guys. I got in my Birchbox for the month of June. I love the box. I love the yellow, nice and springy, summery. Loving the tie-dye look on the box. It came in a box as always. It comes in the box. A box in a box, but this was the beautiful box that they had preserved inside that box. So let's see what I got. All right, so looks like so. That's the first sneak peek of what it looks like. It says, everybody needs you time. Indulge a little.
Ain't that the truth?
All right, so it has this little yellow tissue paper in the front. And let's do the little quick sneak peek. That's your quick little sneak peek of some of the items that I got. So Birchbox was, I think they did something different this time around. I got an email, I want to say last month, saying that they were going to curate two different types of boxes, like one all clean and then one, I don't know if it's a director of Birchbox or some person is going to be doing all of their favorites, and that's going to be in one box, and then one box is going to be all clean. I chose the clean box, so everything here is supposed to be all clean. And also with Birchbox, you have the option, which I like that they give different types of options. If you didn't like this box, you have the choice of picking like one full-size item as opposed to, you know, keeping the whole box. So that's kind of cool. So let's see. Ooh la la. Let's see what this is. This is the spot. Well, actually, let me see the card first. Okay, the card tells you everything that you got in your box. And as I said, I picked the box for everything all clean. So it says Our Clean Beauty Picks. And then it tells you all the items on your bag. In your bag. There we go. Now it's nice and clear. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are these full size? No. Oh, it tells you the prices of what it is full size, but not everything in here is full size. All right. So let's look at the first thing. This is called the Spotlight Circle. So let's find that on this card. Okay, so this is a mask. The full size of this mask is $10. But I'm guessing, I mean, a mask, I guess this is the full size. Shine as never before hair mask. Oh, so it's a hair mask. So this is what it looks like. The Spotlight Circle. Interesting. I like the little contraption, how to get your product out. So I'm all about hair masks. The next thing, what is this here? This is your facial mini scrubber with smart technology. This is a gentle. They make gentle, mild, and vigorous, but my size is gentle. Travel size makeup remover, exfoliating face scrubber for all skin types. That's interesting. So that's what it looks like. Mini scrubber. So very excited about that. So it looks like a little pocket that you put on your hand and you just scrub. So that's good. So let's see the next thing I got. The next thing I got is a Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. Let me tell you how much the thing is that scrubber, it says full size is 8. So I don't know if this is full size or not, but the full size would be 8. This definitely looks like a mini, the Wander Beauty. The full size of this is $22. So it's a lip and cheek, and that's the color. I do not feel like this is a color for my skin tone, so I'm not even gonna open this or swatch this. I'm gonna give this in a giveaway. My next giveaway is gonna be when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So, and that's gonna be a huge giveaway. So stay tuned for that. But until then, I'm gonna just keep piling and adding stuff into my giveaway. The next thing in here is a makeup setting spray sunscreen. Interesting, by Coola. And it says it's organic. So that's what it looks like. Let me see, hold on. Okay. And then the next thing I got, wait, let me tell you how much the spray is. The spray Full size is $36. The next thing I got is sweet orange. Is this like an essential oil? Sweet oil, yes, essential oil. Full size, $13. Supposed to smell like orange. I see a lot of people into essential oils. I have to like do my research on that because a lot of people like it, but I don't know, like, I think you could put them in humidifiers, but I'm not really sure how to really use them. So I'm going to do my research on that because a lot of people are into this. Smells good. It smells just like a tangerine or an orange. Smells very, very nice. So this is my first ever essential oil. 100% pure and natural, it says. So that concludes the June Birchbox. I hope you guys liked everything that I got in the box. Overall, there wasn't anything that I was like, I'll be honest, it was something that I was like super excited to get from this. These are the items that I received. And the blush. The only thing I was honestly probably excited to try was maybe the essential oil because I've never tried one before. And I love trying different setting sprays. I mean, I would try all of the stuff. You can always have a mask. And this is interesting, the facial scrub that exfoliates. But I have like a Clarisonic. So it's like, I don't know if I would replace my Clarisonic for this. So I wasn't that thrilled or excited. But I love trying new stuff. And that's the whole point of, you know, subscribing to subscription boxes, beauty subscription boxes, because you get to try stuff you normally wouldn't try. So I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Is it my favorite box? No, probably not. But I'm not mad. I'm not mad. So this concludes the end of my video today. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I appreciate everyone who's been supporting me on my new journey with YouTube. I've reached 3 months on YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!